Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing the ultimate car clean out. I have 5 kids, so you can imagine how disgusting this van gets. We are in it a lot, going from place to place, and I allow my kids to eat in here, so it gets pretty nasty. You guys are going to see probably one of the nastiest vans ever. So I'm going to first show you guys what the car looks like now. I have a ton of mail and junk on the floorboard. I was trying to clean out one of my purses really quick and I threw everything down there. Honestly, this van, I really try to keep it clean, but when you have this many kids and you're on the go, it just happens. So this is real life, you guys, but I knew I needed to do this so you guys get to see. I'm sure I have at least 5 pairs of socks, 2 pairs of shoes, and a lot of grime. You will probably find a whole Happy Meal back here somewhere. And I do let my kids eat in the car. I always said I wouldn't do that, but let's just be honest. Food keeps them quiet for a minute. You know, you guys know what I'm talking about. Look at this though. And every time I clean my car, I always say, why did I do it? Why did I let them eat in here? But the damage is done. Gross. So now I'm going to take this rolling cart. This is what I always do when I clean out my car. Anything that is not trash, clothes, shoes, purse, books, it doesn't matter. I'm going to throw it in this cart, and that helps me so much because that way I don't have to make trips in and out of the house. I just throw it all here and sort through it when I'm done. I'm going to grab a big old bucket now. You can use a trash can or whatever you got to do. Just get all of the trash out of the van. Like I had mentioned earlier, it's just easier to separate everything that you're going to keep and put back in the house, and then the other side is trash. I've got a lot of papers here, so I'm going to be doing a lot of this in the recycling bin. So there's the bin. I always get one of these because I don't want to go back and forth. This is the bucket. I'll take those crackers out and put them in the trash, and then I'm recycling all the stuff in there. Anything that doesn't get recycled, I'll pull it out. And this is all the stuff I need to sort in the house, but I'll just take it right into the garage and do it there. It's too hot, y'all. So this is what it looks like with it pretty much cleaned out. I will wrap these up and put them in here. I do need to get this. Excuse me, now that I see this, I realize I got to be getting this stuff out too. My inhaler, because asthma is my life. For when I'm starving. Alright. This is disgusting. It is. Yes, free Dunkin'. Okay, thank you. What is this? Now I'm going to use my Dyson to clean everything out. I'm going to do the top of the mats. You'll see me eventually pull the mats out and then put those on the driveway, and I will vacuum them again, but I want to make sure I vacuum under the mats because there's a lot of stuff under there. If you guys want more information about this is the V8 Absolute, and I have some information about it in my description box. I also have it in my Amazon store. I really, really love it. And obviously this is not sponsored because I'm a pretty small channel and Dyson doesn't even know who I am. So I'm just giving you my honest opinion. You know you've really reached adulthood when you're excited about a vacuum.
it's all about. Takes a second and then we are back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead, till let me smile from for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't say that. Ain't gonna leave ya. I don't wanna sabotage. You're a million. We figured out what it's all about.
I know this is kind of random, but if you guys ask me, these are the Adidas Cloud Foam shoes. They are my favorite, most comfortable pair of shoes I think I've ever owned.
Go ahead, till let me smile for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't say that. Ain't gonna leave ya. I don't wanna sabotage. You're a million.
Okay, so my vacuum died, and so now I'm going to try to clean this nastiness out. These hooks are where our extra seat go. So this van seats 8, and that is ice cream. Yes, it is. I just sucked up Chex Mix and whole waffle fries, not whole ones, pieces of them, and I could probably start a small trust fund with all the change and pennies. So now, while the vacuum is charging, I'm going to use this cloth. It's just wet, and I'm going to clean this. This stuff is not, look, this is, I've already tried to suck it up with the vacuum. It ain't moving, see? So gross.
You got me begging, pretty please. I'm so hung up on you. I couldn't tell you what it feels like, but I sure think you do. Where do you go when your glass end up empty? Oh, I wanna know. Won't you let me know? Where do you hide when you leave me wasted? Oh, I wanna know. We're only lovers when we count down. Tell me when to stop. Tell me when to stop, babe. Just keep on dancing like we're night bound. Lovers on the clock. I'll be ready when we go down.
My nails were hurting so bad from trying to pick up all of this grime and stuff stuck on here, so I had to get the big guns and just use a flathead screwdriver. So I have now rinsed off that rag, and I'm going to start wiping down the back here. There's a lot of just dried up food and more ice cream, money, as you can see. So this cloth, this is just water on this microfiber cloth. This is what I've been using, and I just have been rinsing it off with warm water from the hose.
But I can see through you. Where do you go when your glass end up empty? Oh, I wanna know. Won't you let me know? Where do you hide when you leave me wasted? Oh, I wanna know. We're only lovers when we count down. Tell me when to stop. Tell me when to stop, babe. Just keep on dancing like we're night.
I noticed something had gotten splattered on the roof here, so I'm going to try to use that same cloth and get some of it out. It didn't look good at first, but I can report now that it looks a lot better. So just some water and a rag, and got some of the junk off the roof of the van.
talking is fine. I wanna tell you that I want you by my side. The way you move your body, the way I feel inside. I wanna take you for a ride. Wanna be with you. Do you want me to? Wanna be with you. You're the one that I want. You're the one that I need. You're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. You're the one that I want. You're the one that I need. You're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. I wanna say that you are the one I need. I wanna say that you are the one who's making me breathe. I hope that you can stay here. Yeah, you can stay the night. I hope that you can stay with me. Wanna be with you. Do you want me to? Wanna be with you. You're the one that I want. You're the one that I need. You're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. You're the one that I want. You're the one that I need. You're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. Stay here, it'd be more than okay. 'Cause there's nothing that can stand in our way. If you'd stay here, it'd be more than okay. 'Cause there's nothing that can stand in our way. You're the one that I want. You're the one that I need. You're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. You're the one that I want. You're the one that I need.
So I'm gonna spray the super clean tire foam on here. You just spray it, you forget about it, and it dissolves everything off, which I love. It is also made with biodegradable detergents, which is really great. Another thing is I like these products because my kids can help me clean and get involved, which is a big deal, and I'm not worried about them being harmed. So that's really awesome. I'm now having Liam go ahead and scrub the rims a little bit. You don't have to do that. You see how the super clean just dissolved all the dirt on the rim, but he wanted to stay involved, so I gave him a brush and let him scrub. It is effective enough for your oven, but gentle enough for your refrigerator, which is really cool, if that makes any kind of sense. I love them. I can use them all over the house. They have become a staple in our cleaning, even when I'm cleaning out the garbage can. Genuinely love these products.
In this faulty game, and all the words you speak mean nothing more to me. 'Cause let's start over now. Rewind, and I won't let you go. I need you by my side.
You guys, how I organize it. I'm returning this. This is some of the stuff I purchased from Walmart. You guys asked me to tell you if it worked or not. No, it did not. Moving on. The inside of here, I just have my gluten-free snacks for when I'm hungry. I have some change there, my headphones for the gym. Then I have my albuterol because asthma's real. This is EpiPen, headphones, and a clip. This is another set of headphones, and I use this at the gym. And then I put this is like an eyeglass case, and I just put an extra charger in here. My glasses, my sunglasses, my reading glasses. I meant for Noah if times get real tough and I need to bribe him. I have a free Dunkin' Donuts there, and then some Marshalls, you know, those coupons, like if you have a Marshalls or TJ Maxx or card, you get points or whatever. My mom gives me those. Over here, this is obviously the Honda book. This is a Seeds of Worship. This is just really good things for the kids. Will play it and they learn scripture this way. And then this is
It's
the
like where you put your money.
yeah, baby. And then this is leather I bought off of Amazon. It was $8 for an 8x10 sheet. I bought black, and I should have bought dark gray because my kids ripped off all of this and it was hanging, and honestly it was looking ghetto. And I am trying to be thankful for what I have, so I just improvised. This one doesn't look great. I'm thinking about looking for the dark gray one though. Here, Saya, Mama's gonna look at that side. Move your hand and see that's that side. That one doesn't look nearly as bad. Doesn't look great. I know, don't touch it, okay?
It doesn't look that well.
Well, let's leave it, okay? So I'm gonna put this back in here because I'm returning it. I want my money back. That's one good thing about Walmart.
And money
Mm-hmm.
for chores.
And I basically cleaned from 3:30 to about 6:30. That included cleaning the inside of the car, everything that you guys saw, plus the outside, the rims. Then I went and I vacuumed it again, cleaned out his car seat a little bit. The last thing I'm gonna do, Noah's car seat. I organized in here and I showed you all that. So I'm done and I'm tired and I'm sweaty, and now I'm gonna go in there and
In the house?
are you playing with gum? I told you don't let me find that gum out of your mouth. So if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you join my little family. If you like cleaning and organizing videos,
Button.
that's right.
We want one.
You want one. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you like cleaning and organizational videos, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget and subscribe, especially if you're new. We'd love to have you join our little family. I do weekly cleaning motivation, DIY and crafts. I do all things motherhood, and I mean all things motherhood. So we would love to have you join us, and Mama's gonna go and clean up. So bye.
Bye.
Bye.